Welcome to Minutes with Lynnis, brought to you by Wellness Woman 40 and Beyond. Embark on this journey with me, Lynnis Minutes, your certified holistic living and wellness expert for women over 40, as we explore tips for an ever-growing mind, body, and spirit in just a few minutes. Everyone, wow, welcome. It is Wellness Woman 40 group. That's where I am. I have to think, where am I? I'm at the Wellness Woman 40 group, and it's Motivation Monday. How was your weekend? Mine was fantastic, and I learned some things this weekend that I wanted to share with you. First of all, I want to welcome I think we're at number 41 people that joined last week for the Wellness Women. So when I post their names, please give them a big welcome. And for those of you on Instagram and YouTube who are watching this in the replay, if you don't belong to the Wellness Woman 40 and Beyond group, you need to come to Facebook and join us. Fantastic information for women over 40 who want to vibe. What does vibe mean? Be vibrant, intuitive, beautiful, and emerged. My name, by the way, is Lynnis Minutes, and I am the administrator of the group, and I happen to be a certified holistic wellness and living coach for women over 40. And here in the group, we share all kinds of things. I post a few things, and everybody else shares things that we hope will help you to be well in your mind, body, and spirit as you age. So this weekend, usually about once or twice a week, I go to the steam room at my gym. And I just do it because I know it makes me feel good, but I wanted to do more research exactly what the benefits are for steaming. And it's now on my recommended list for all of my clients when it comes to wellness, especially over 40, to go and visit a steam room. It's not quite the same as creating your own steam room because you have to get it up to at least about 110 degrees. But it is so good for you in so many ways. Here are just a few of the benefits. Let's see, we have some people joining us, and I'll give you a shout out in a minute as you join in. So first of all, it's a great skin detox. I always notice that when I go to the steam room and then I come back and I look in the mirror, I've got this really healthy glow and I have no makeup on. I was like, oh my God, I wish I had one of these at home. I just go like this and get steam and then not put on makeup. But the reality is that it helps to detoxify your skin. It opens up the pores, so all of the toxins you may have on that first level of epidermis comes out, and that's what gives you that healthy glow. It's almost like a detoxifying scrub without the scrub, actually. In fact, yesterday what I tried doing was after I got out of the steam room, I did a scrub, there in the gym on my face before I put my makeup back on, and wow, it looked like I was 2 shades lighter. Not that I'm trying to be lighter, but it was just, I had this healthy glow in my skin. So I recommend the steam room for that. The other thing is that it will help to improve your circulation, your blood flow, which is so important. We need to have that blood flow going to all of our organs so we can nourish them properly, blood flow to the brain so we can get rid of that brain fog. So that's another reason why you want to do it. I'm looking at my notes. Oh, breathing better. Yes. Now, I go to a steam room that uses eucalyptus oil, which opens you up. And as a result, I found myself coughing a little bit, and I could remember, why am I coughing? I wasn't coughing before, but I had an omelet with a little bit of cheese, dairy product, in my omelet. And of course, that creates more mucus. And that mucus was coming out when I was sitting in the steam room, which is a good thing. You want to clear yourself of all that mucus because within that mucus can hide other things that can make you sick later. So I started coughing and coughed that up. So that's another good reason why you want to go to a steam room. Also, it's fantastic to do a steam after a workout to prevent any further soreness as a result of your workout. It's great for that. But also I find, and you have to be careful about this, it depends on, if you're hydrated enough, because you want to make sure you hydrate when you go to the steam room, and we'll talk about that in a minute. But it's a great place to do some stretching. Now, if you're going to do a little stretching in the steam room, you have to be considerate of the people who are there with you. So if it's full of folks, you can't do stretching. That's kind of weird. They have a lot of co-ed stretching, not stretching, but steam rooms now. So you may not feel comfortable, stretching with a bunch of men sitting in there. But if you have to be by yourself or with other women, it's a great idea to, stretch your arms and, bend to your waist and give a good stretch to your legs and things like that. It's fantastic for that. So you might want to consider when you're in the steam room to do some moderate stretching, which will help even more so when it comes to the soreness as a result of working out before you came to the steam room. It also is a great way to relax. Something about breathing in that eucalyptus oil, which automatically kind of makes you want to relax. But what I like to do when I'm in the steam room is meditate. It's quiet. There are very few distractions. And it's a great way to kind of clear your mind. You're clearing your body of all the toxins because of all the sweat that's coming out. That's another thing. Detoxifies you in general. But you can also detoxify your mind by just closing your eyes and just meditating for a while. That's a great way to get focused and get clarity. Another thing, and there's some a little bit of debate about this in terms of does it really help you to lose weight? Here's the deal. It causes you to sweat, so you lose water. So yes, you can, but you can lose water weight that way. But the thing is that you want to replace that water. You don't want to get dehydrated. So, if you're trying to fit into that prom dress, I guess you could, not prom dress, your high school reunion dress, you want to look real cute. You want to look 5 pounds thinner. I guess you go to the steam room, don't drink any water and come out and you're thinner, but I would not advise that. Might pass out. Not worth it. So, but it is good for burning calories, because the blood is circulating, your metabolism is going, you just got through working out, so it's kind of like a double whammy, and you can burn some calories. And the other reason why you want to go to the steam room is it can help reduce stress. It can lower your cortisol level. Now, in that way, when it comes to lowering your cortisol level, that is a way to reduce the thickening that comes as a result of all the cortisol that's floating around in our bodies. When we are in menopause in particular, or even pre-menopause, our cortisol levels go up. That's why you get the thickening. This thing right here I have that I didn't used to have, get the thickening here, thickening in the butt. Oh my God, okay? And one way, and we've talked about this in the group, to reduce your inches and release your pounds is through relaxation, meditation. Going to a steam room can really help you to relax. And when you're relaxing, that lowers your cortisol. And over time, that thickening and those extra inches and that weight gain that you've had will begin to drop. Now, I'm not saying that it is the panacea for that, but I'm saying it's part of the formula that you want to use when it comes to dropping those cortisol pounds and inches. Cortisol pounds and inches are different than the pounds and inches that you get from overeating, okay? Very different. You have to learn and do a couple of techniques that work for you besides just reducing your calorie intake. Reducing your calorie intake will help you to lose weight. But if you want to be lean and long and get rid of some of that extra, stretchy stuff that you might have on the sides like I do right here, if you want to get rid of that, one way to do it is through meditation. And another way to do it is through relaxing. And you can do that in the steam room. So I highly recommend that you consider belonging to a gym just to be able to go to the steam room. Of course, there's other benefits as well. You can work with the personal trainers. All that stuff is great. But a lot of people say, I can do that free for YouTube. Yes, you can. But you can't do the steam room on YouTube. Not that I know of. Have they figured that out yet? I don't. You can find everything on YouTube. So a virtual steam room, I don't think so. I think you have to go to the real deal. I think it's worth the investment. And sometimes they have specials going on, so you can join the gym for really cheap and try it out, see how you like it. And then if you really like it, go ahead and join just for that one purpose. I do know people who have their own personal steam room that takes a significant investment to install a steam room in your home, about $10,000 to get a really good one. But maybe you have it like that. You might want to decide to do that. But either way, I think it is a necessity when it comes to thriving in midlife. Thanks so much for listening. This was a real quick tip. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share with other women. And also, please invite other women to join us. Some of you have been so good about that. I'm so grateful to all of you who have shared the group with others. We are growing in leaps and bounds. And let me give my shout outs to Sandra and Victoria and let's see who's that. Pauletta just joined us, and Valletta, thank you so much for joining. Lynnis Minutes. Remember, I just like to give some tips, tools, and techniques in just a few minutes for you to vibe, be vibrant, intuitive, beautiful, and emerged in midlife. Thanks so much for listening, and I'll be back on Wednesday. On Wednesday, we're going to be talking about belly fat. I've got some new techniques and new things that you should try to burn belly fat after 40. It works because it's working with me. It may not look like it, but because I can see this, but seriously, my tummy is flat. Okay, not bad for somebody who's 62 years old. Oh, well, you know, shameless self-promotion. Always want to do things to uplift. And don't forget, it is Motivation Monday. So please share posts that are motivational and inspirational for all of these ladies to see. Thanks so much. Talk with you soon. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you have something to share, please comment below. For more Wellness Woman videos, be sure to click the subscribe button below and check out my Facebook group, Wellness Woman 40 and Beyond. But most importantly, don't forget to love yourself and educate, encourage, and empower your mind, body, spirit wellness.